I'll explain about VLSI jobs, VLSI design jobs in 2025 to 2030. So here you can see this first. What is VLSI design? I think you know that if you are integrated, that is 1 to 10 transistors on a chip, so then it is called as that is small scale integrated transistors. Small scale integrated SSI circuits. If you are integrated, that is 100 to that is 1000 transistors, then it is called as that is medium scale integrated circuit. If you are integrated, that is 1000 to 10,000 transistors, so then it is called as that is large scale integrated circuit. If you are integrated more than 10 transistors, 10,000 transistors, then it is called as very large scale integrated circuit. So examples for that is SSI technology, that is small scale integrated technology, that is flip flops, op amps, gates. If you go for that is MSI, medium scale integrated circuit, that is mux, counters, adders, 4-bit microprocessors. If we go for LSI, that is ROM designing, RAM designing, 8-bit microprocessors. So these are the examples for LSI technology. But of course, the all are IC technology only, integrated circuit technology. So here you can see this the same thing microprocessor, but the size is more and using MOS transistors. So like this is the VLSI technology. On a single chip, if you are integrated more number of transistors on a single chip, then it is called as that is VLSI chips. Coming to the job, if you are very familiar, very well known about the subject, the students you maybe get the job in that is Intel. These are the main companies in VLSI design industries. That is Qualcomm is there, Texas Instruments is there, that is Synopsys. Cadence is the leading tool to design any chip. That is Samsung Semiconductors. Like this, the more number of Xilinx is there. Like the Siemens, so ARM processors, Intel processors, IBM. So like this, the different companies are there, but it is limited. It is limited. In India, there is only that is nearly 150 to 300 companies are there in India till now, except branches. Of course, the company may have the branches, but the total companies around 150 to 300 as of 2025. And 2 lakhs 50,000 employees, that is professionals are there in VLSI industry. But the same is in by 2030 the requirement is the nearly 4 lakhs professionals are required. 4 lakhs VLSI technology specific engineers are required. So why? Because here you can see this recently the central government has approved, that is 2023 to 25. So the central government has that is accepted and announced that these main projects, that is one is the semiconductor assembly and testing company in Assam with 27,000 crores budgets, that is the government is accepted and approved. They have started already. And here one more is this is the big project in Gujarat. So using till now there is no back-end process or else foundry technology in India, but now they have started with this 76,000 crores they have spent to design semiconductor assembly plant. So this is the major company, major product about the VLSI industry. This is a very good for students. You may get the jobs easily in future. Huge number of jobs may expect. So why? Because this is the big project to design the that is VLSI chips. Because till now there is no foundry process in India till now. Only front end process, back end only software process is there. So, but now they have started in India in 2023 onwards. They have started to design chip designing process in like this. You can see this in Jawar, UP, Uttar Pradesh. They have started with 3,007 crores budget. So, and like this here you can see this Micron Semiconductor. This is one more in Gujarat with 13,000 crores budgets. They have started. These are all are for to design a that is VLSI industry, VLSI chips only. So here you can see this one more is Gujarat, and here recently in 2025 August they have announced in AP Andhra Pradesh. So here you can see this with 4,595 crores. One more, the company they have started that is semiconductor designing process. In Odisha, one more is there that is with 4,009 crores budget, and one more is here. So like this, till now there is no back end process in India. Actually, here you can see this. If you go for uh, VLSA industry, the front end process is there. VLSA design engineer. Here also he may have starting with this is only 6 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum, but it may be changed 8 lakhs to that is 20 lakhs. So VLSA design engineer will write the code for that to design. If you want to design a RAM or memory card, so he will write the code for that, and he will verify. The verification engineer will verify the that code. So you may have the big that is good amount of package. And then this is also the physical design engineer. One more role is in VLS industry, that is physical design engineer. He may get that is 10 lakh minimum per annum, and to 18 to 25 lakhs may get it physical design engineering. So this is till this part now in India in till 2024 or 23 it is there, this part only software process, front end process. There is no foundry process in India, but now they have started with these companies. They have started to design a chips in India, and this FJ design engineer is there. Then the foundry work will be done in these companies, because day by day the more number of the chips may be designed in these companies. So here you can see the 6 million chips. Here you can see this in this semicon assembly plant. They can design 6 million chips per day. So that is the advantage for now the VLSI jobs students. So till now there is no designing process that is backend, and that to foundry work process is not there in India. But now they have started. Indian government has approved and started to released already the chip designs. Chip is released after designing. So that is the advantage for the ECE students in 2025 to 2030. The VLSI, that is ECE students, ECE branch may be stable or else it may be grown. It may not, there is no downfall for ECE. Definitely 100%, the 50% chance is there to grow the VLSI industry, because according to Moore, he said that in 1960s itself, he said that, that is Moore said that. So for every 1.5 year, one and a half year, the VLSI technology will be increased. Means the more number of transistors integrated on a chip will be doubled. So that is the Moore law. And this is about jobs, and these are the different roles in VLSI jobs. RTL engineer is there to write the code. If you want to design something, either if you want to design a RAM in a mobile, RAM is required. So if you want to design a RAM, we need to write the code for that, and the verification engineer will verify that whether it is correct or not, correct code or not. And DFT engineer, the role is design for testability. After designing, he may going to write the going to test the that program. Like this, different more number of people, that students will think that VLSI means only one role or something is there, but not like that. There are more than 10 roles are there, more than 10 or 15 roles are there in the same VLSI industry. Different in front end process there is a number of roles are there, back end process also they have more number of roles are there. Here you can see this DFT engineer, that is synthesis engineer, physical design engineer will role is how to, if you go for a mobile, so how we can place, for example, mobile is required processor means it required RAM, how they can place, how they can floor plan, and we required that ROM is required, read only memory, how to place, where you need to place, what is the placement, good placement, that is ALE is required, arithmetic logic unit is required, or else memory card is required, where you can keep memory card, and routing also, good routing also, where you can give the routing between two devices. Like this, what is the good routing? So like this, that is the work for physical design engineer. So here, like this, there are different roles are there in VLSI industry, and definitely 100% will grow the VLSI industry in India, because they have started with nearly 1 lakh crores. They have spent, they have announced already, central government. So that's the reason. Uh, Here you can see this in 1971 they have used, that is 10 micrometer micrometer technology to design the any chip or any mobile or any laptop. And in 1990 2000 you can say this nanometer technology they have started here, of course, in 1918 1919 itself. But 90 nanometer technology in 2004, and in 2010 they have used 32 nanometer, and 2020s they have used, they may are using 35 nanometer technology, even 4 nanometer technology also in using in 2025 to design Samsung mobiles, to design Oppo mobiles, or else any other mobiles. They are using and they can design with this technology. So, and applications, as you know that we know that, as I said, that is consumer electronics means by using this VLSI technology we can design mobiles, we can design laptops, we can design uh, like this so many you can, here you can see this, you can design mobiles, computers, and laptops, tablets, other chips, even if you go for that is military technology also can, defense also can, uh, defense, in defense we need to design the chips to found the, to find the other devices. So like this, the more number of uh, applications are there, by using VLSI technology we can design. Thank you. If you have a doubt you can send to me or any suggestions.